Again, 12 looks like a problem that I really need to go to the whiteboard to do. I realize there's the blue area, there's work down there. If that's sufficient for you, that's great. If you're getting these answers, that's great. If you need a walkthrough, though, watch the video. Let's go to the whiteboard. And as I do that, I'm going to push this up. And I'm going to start writing down things that they're telling me. And the first thing they're telling me is that if M harmonic means are inserted between A and B. So let me write this down, A, and then there's going to be a bunch of terms over here, last term being B, all right? So I'm going to, if this is harmonic, this would be H1, and if this is harmonic, this would be H, let's see, they're starting M, so let's see, M plus 2, all right? Well, what do we know? We know now, arithmetically, that A1 would be 1 over A, all right? And then the question is, what do I know about this? I know A, M plus 2 is equal to 1 over B. All right, that's pretty interesting to know that. But what else do I know? I know that this is equal to 1 over A plus, well, M plus 2 minus 1 is M plus 1 D. All right? Then someone says, what are you trying to get over here? I'm trying to get D. And to do that, I got to do it, right? And we're going to do that, multiply both sides by AB. And what would you get? And again, we're taking this equation here and multiplying by AB. You would get A equals B plus AB M plus 1D. Well, I'm going to write this down now. A minus B equals AB M plus 1D. And again, I'm trying to get D like I've always done in the past. It's more abstract now. You're going to get A minus B over AB M plus 1. I'm sorry, I want to, well, maybe not. I'll put an equal sign between them. So I'm going to say that I feel pretty comfortable about that. And someone says, why'd you get that? Well, I got to go back and read the question. And all I can say is go back and read the question. It says, M harmonic means are inserted between A and B. What is the third term? Well, you know what? I got to write down A3 now. Well, what's A3 going to be? Well, it's going to be A1. This is arithmetic, by the way. A1, which is 1 over A, plus 2D. And what's 2D? It's 2 times A minus B over AB M plus 1. It seems like work, but I got to do the work. And I hate to say that to you. I have to do the work. It isn't like I can look at that and know what the result is. So I'm going to say AB M plus 1. That's not so bad. And then it's going to be B M plus 1 plus 2 A minus B. That's what A3 is. And then the question is, what did they want? They wanted H3. Well, just take the reciprocal. Let's write this down. Then we'll look at the key. And again, the key might look a little bit different. In other words, they might have done something like multiply it out. I don't know. Take a look at it and find out. And that's one of the onus is on you. If you look at something that's not the same answer, you got to get it to agree. And certainly that can be tough sometimes. Let's go to town. So what do you got? Got the top right. AB times M plus 1. B M plus 1, I see that. Oops, I made a mistake somewhere. And I'm wondering where I made the mistake. And I wonder, did I make a mistake in the key? Or did I make a mistake in my answer? So I got to go back and read the question. They did not ask for the third term. They asked for the third mean. So this is incorrect. I want to point out what I mean by that. They didn't ask for H3. I cross this off. Erase it. And let's go back and discuss what happened. That's important, that you get a different answer. You can say, I got to explain myself. What they're really asking for is they're asking for the third mean. So what's this really going to be? H4. All right, let's go back. Let's correct ourselves. They didn't want that. They didn't want that. They wanted A4. Let's write it down. What's A4? Equals A1 which is 1 over A. We're back to the arithmetic, by the way, plus 3 times that D, which would be, and the reason for 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, A minus B. And again, I'm glad I made a mistake. I have a chance to rectify it. I once had a student in my calculus class, and my notes always have answers in it. And when he got the exam, he said, "Where's the answers?" I said, "No, you got to get the answers this time." So it's nice to have an answer key. It would be great in an exam to have an answer key. But typically exams don't have answer keys. Be nice though, wouldn't it? So let's take a look. I still get the AB, common denominator, m plus 1. And then when you get over here, you would get, let's see, B, m plus 1 plus 3, A minus B. We'll look at the key later. And now I can write down H4. What's that going to be? AB, m plus 1 over B, m plus 1 plus 3, A minus B. Well, you know what I got to do? Same thing. Look at the key. See if I got it right. What'd they say? Bingo. Got that? Bingo. Got that. And now I'm getting the correct answer. Again, misreading, misunderstanding. It happens. All right? Thank you.